In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Sheet to a folder in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your files neatly organized so you can find them fast. First, open the Google Apps menu. This is the grid icon you'll see near the top of most Google pages. Click it, and from the list of apps, choose Drive. That takes you straight into your Google Drive, which is the central place where all your Google files live. Once Drive is open, locate the Google Sheet you want to move. You can browse your files in My Drive, or use the search bar at the top if your list is long. When you see the sheet you want, click it once to select it. A single click highlights the file without opening it, which makes moving it quicker and avoids switching tabs. With the file selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Organize. Click Organize and then choose Move. Depending on your layout, you might see a single option called Move To. Either way, you're going to the same place. The Move dialog that lets you pick a destination. The Move window will show your drive structure, including My Drive and any folders you've created. Take a moment to navigate to the exact folder where you want this sheet to live. You can double-click folders to open them, and use the back arrow in the dialog if you go too deep. If you work with shared folders, make sure you're in the correct area so the sheet ends up where your team expects it. When you've highlighted the specific folder you want, confirm the move. The dialog will close and Drive will place your Google Sheet into that folder. You may see a brief confirmation message, and the file will no longer appear in its old location unless that location was a shortcut or a shared view. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Selecting the file with a single click before right-clicking prevents accidentally opening the sheet in a new tab. And if you keep Drive open while organizing, you can repeat this process for any other sheets you want to tidy up. Moving a file doesn't change the file itself. It simply updates its location. So your sharing settings and links generally remain the same unless the destination folder has different restrictions. That's it. You opened Google Drive through the Google Apps menu, selected your Google Sheet, right-click to choose Organize and Move, and then picked the exact folder you wanted. Your workspace is now cleaner and easier to navigate.